नमो नमः। द्वितीयसत्रस्य प्रथम्यां तासिकायां सर्वेषां हार्दं स्वागतम्. Students, in today's session we are going to learn a very interesting poem, that is Bharat Janataham. The meaning of the title is I am the citizen of India. This poem is composed by the modern Sanskrit poet Dr. Ramakant Shukla. Dr. Ramakant Shukla is an Indian scholar of Sanskrit and Hindi languages. He has received many awards for his works. The government of India honored him in 2013 by awarding him the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award for his contributions to the field of literature. A great scholar of Sanskrit, and today we are going to learn a poem composed by him. In this poem, the poet has explained some features of India and Indians. As we already know, India is the land of a diverse culture and beautiful nature. India is diversified in every aspect: culture, language, tradition, etc. Even though India has many cultures and traditions, Indians always live in peace, harmony, love and affection, which shows the unique culture of unity in diversity. In this poem, the poet has described some unique features of India and Indians. I hope you will enjoy the poem. So let's get started with the poem Bharat Janataham. Here is the first verse. I'll read it out. अभिमानधना विनयोपेता शालीना भारत जनताहम कुलिशादपि कठिना कुसुमादपि सुकुमारा भारत जनताहम. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from this verse.
The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are vinayopeta bharat janataham kulishadapi and kusumadapi. Here, all the four words are the examples of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Vinayopeta, the dissolution is Vinaya plus Upeta. Bharat Janataham, the dissolution is Bharat Janata plus Aham. Kulishadapi, the dissolution is Kulishat plus Api, and Kusumadapi, the dissolution is Kusumat plus Api. Now, let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Abhimanadhana means the one who has wealth in the form of self-respect. In simple words, it means filled with self-respect. Vinayopeta means endowed with modesty, or in simple words, it means modest. Shalina means polite in approach. Bharat Janataham, I am the citizen of India. Kulishadapi Kathina, Kulisha means Vajra. Kulishadapi Kathina, harder than Vajra. Kusumadapi Sukumara, Kusuma means flower. Kusumadapi Sukumara means softer than a flower. Bharat Janataham. The translation of the verse is, I am the citizen of India. I possess wealth in the form of self-respect. I am endowed with modesty, polite in approach. I am harder than even Vajra and softer than a flower. I am the citizen of India. I hope you have understood the translation.
We Indians live our life with self-respect. We are always kind and considerate towards others. We are polite or modest in nature. In the times of difficulty, we become harder than even Vajra. It is said that Vajra is the weapon of Lord Indra, the king of gods. and this weapon is considered to be the most powerful one. It is the symbol of indestructibility and the irresistible force. As I have said earlier, in the times of adversity, we Indians become harder than even Vajra. We face it with courage. And when time demands, we also become kind-hearted, which is described as softer than even a flower. Very unique features of Indians are explained in this verse. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given verse.
Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The words Abhimanadhana, Vinayopeta, Shalina, Kathina and Sukumara are the Visheshanani of the Vishesham Bharat Janata. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given verse. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Vinamrashila, the Paryaya Padam is Vinayopeta. Vajrat, the Paryaya Padam is Kulishat. Kathora, the Paryaya Padam is Kathina. Pushpat, the Paryaya Padam is Kusumat. Sukomala, the Paryaya Padam is Sukumara. Now let's see the Viloma Pade. Uddhata, the Viloma Padam is Vinayopeta and Komala, the Viloma Padam is Kathina. Now let's see the next verse.
Here is the next verse. I'll read it out. Nivasami samaste samsare manye cha kutumbam vasundharam preyah shreyah cha chinomya ubhayam suviveka bharat janataham. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the verse.
In this verse, there are only two examples of sandhihi, and they are Chinomyubhayam and Bharata Janataham. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Chinomyubhayam, the dissolution is Chinomi plus Ubhayam. It is the example of Yan Sandhihi. Bharat Janataham, the dissolution is Bharat Janata plus Aham. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Nivasami samaste samsare. Nivasami means live. Nivasami samaste samsare means I am spread across the globe. Manye cha kutumbam vasundharam. Manye means consider. Kutumbam, family. Vasundharam, the earth. I consider the whole earth to be my family. Preyah shreyah cha chinomi ubhayam. Preyah means the things which are dear to me, and Shreyah means the things which are beneficial to me. Chinomi means collect or seek. Ubhayam, both. Suviveka means thoughtful. The translation of the verse is, I am spread across the globe. I consider the whole earth to be my family. I seek both things that are dear to me and the things which are beneficial to me. I am the thoughtful citizen of India. I hope you have understood the translation.
The whole world has become a global village now. And we Indians have also become global citizens. You will find Indians in every part of the world. We believe in the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is one family. The concept of universal brotherhood has been inculcated in us by our culture, and that's why we see the whole world as a small nuclear family, and we treat everyone with respect and kindness. We Indians also have a good judgment. We know what do we actually want in our life and what is beneficial for us. That's why we try to seek both what is dear to us, that is preyaha, and what is beneficial to us, that is shreyaha. That's why the Visheshanam Suviveka is used for Bharata Janata. I hope you have understood the verse. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshapadani from the given verse.
Here are the Visheshan Visheshapadani. The word Samaste is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Samsare, and the word Suviveka is the Visheshanam of the word Bharata Janata. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the verse. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Sampurne, the Paryaya Padam is Samaste. Jagati, the Paryaya Padam is Samsare. Kulam, the Paryaya Padam is Kutumbam. And Prithvim, the Paryaya Padam is Vasundharam. Now let's see the Viloma Padani. There are two Viloma Pade. Apurne, the Viloma Padam is Samaste, and Aviveka, the Viloma Padam is Suviveka. Now let's see the next verse.
Here is the third verse. I'll read it out. Vijnana dhanaham jnana dhana sahitya kala sangeeta para adhyatma sudha tatini snanaihi pariputa bharat janataham. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogaha from the given verse.
The words with sandhihi are Vijnana dhanaham and Bharata janataham. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Vijnana dhanaham, the dissolution is Vijnana dhana plus aham, and Bharata janataham, the dissolution is Bharata janata plus aham. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Vijnana dhanaham means I possess wealth in the form of science. Jnana dhana means I possess wealth in the form of knowledge. Sahitya kala sangeeta para. Sahitya means literature. Kala means arts. Sangeeta means music. Sahitya kala sangeeta para means I am endowed with literature, arts and music. Adhyatma sudha tatini snanaihi. Adhyatma means spirituality. Sudha means nectar. Tatini means river. And snanaihi means by bathing. The meaning of the word Adhyatma Sudha Tatini Snanaihi is by bathing in the river that is full of nectar in the form of spirituality. Pariputa means purified. Bharata Janataham. The translation of the verse is I possess wealth in the form of science. I possess wealth in the form of knowledge. I am endowed with literature, arts and music. I am purified by bathing in the river that is full of nectar in the form of spirituality. I am the citizen of India.
India is known to the world for its great heritage, which gives importance to knowledge. There is no doubt about the fact that India has contributed to the world in the fields of various subjects, be it medicine, mathematics, astronomy, astrology, metallurgy, and many others. India is the land of various inventions and discoveries which are accepted worldwide. In recent years, India has made tremendous progress in the field of science and technology, which is remarkable and praiseworthy. Our country is also known as the holy land of spirituality. Many great sages, yogis, saints had revealed great truths to us. They had guided us, and their teachings and preachings have purified our soul, our mind, and body. That's why in the second line, the poet says that we Indians have been purified by taking bath in the river of spirituality. I hope you have understood the verse. Now let's see Vishesh and Vishesha Padani from the given verse.
Here are the Visheshan Vishesha Padani. The words Vijnanadhana, Jnanadhana, Sahitya Kala Sangeeta Para and Pariputa are the Visheshanani of the word Bharata Janata. Now, let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the verse. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Amrutam, the Paryaya Padam is Sudha. Nadi, the Paryaya Padam is Tatini. And Pavitra, the Paryaya Padam is Pariputa. There is only one Viloma Padam here, and it is Apavitra. The Viloma Padam is Pariputa. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see the next verse.
Here is the next verse. I'll read it out. Mama Gitair Mugdham Samam Jagat, Mama Nrutyair Mugdham Samam Jagat, Mama Kavyair Mugdham Samam Jagat, Rasabharita Bharata Janataham. Now, let's see the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogaha from the given verse.
The words with Sandhihi are Gitair Mugdham, Nrutyair Mugdham, Kavyair Mugdham and Bharata Janataham. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Gitair Mugdham, the dissolution is Gitaihi plus Mugdham. Nrutyair Mugdham, the dissolution is Nrutyaihi plus Mugdham. Kavyair Mugdham, the dissolution is Kavyaihi plus Mugdham. And Bharata Janataham, the dissolution is Bharata Janata plus Aham. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Mama Gitair Mugdham Samam Jagat. Mama, my, Gitaihi, by songs. Mama Gitaihi, by my songs. Mugdham means charmed, spellbound or fascinated. Samam, the whole or entire. Jagat, world. Mama Gitair Mugdham Samam Jagat, the whole world is charmed by my songs. Mama Nrutyair Mugdham Samam Jagat. Mama Nrutyaihi means by my dance forms. Mama Nrutyair Mugdham Samam Jagat means the whole world is spellbound by my various dance forms. Mama Kavyair Mugdham Samam Jagat. Mama Kavyaihi, by my poetical works, that is literature. Mama Kavyair Mugdham Samam Jagat means the whole world is fascinated by my poetical works, that is my literature. Rasabharita means delightful. Rasabharita Bharata Janataham means I am the delightful citizen of India. The translation of the verse is, the whole world is charmed by my songs. The whole world is spellbound by my various dance forms. The whole world is fascinated by my poetical works, that is literature. I am the delightful citizen of India. I hope you have understood the translation.
Students, India has a very rich culture of dance and music. From ancient times, different dance forms are practiced in India. We enjoy them. We find the origin of music in the Vedas. It has a long tradition. Not only dance and music, even the Indian literary tradition is the oldest in the world. A huge variety of literature has been produced in various languages of India over the years. Indian epics, dramas, poetical works have been highly appreciated even by the Western scholars. In short, the world has been fascinated by Indian music, dance forms, and Indian literature. I hope you have understood the verse. Now let's see Vishesh and Visheshya Padani from the given verse.
Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The words Mugdham and Samam are the Visheshane of the word Jagat, and the word Rasabharita is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Bharat Janata. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given verse. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Mohitam, the Paryaya Padam is Mugdham. Sampurnam, the Paryaya Padam is Samam. Samsaraha, the Paryaya Padam is Jagat. And there is only one Viloma Padam. Apurnam, the Viloma Padam is Samam. I hope you have understood it.
Students, I would like to end the explanation here. I hope you have understood the part discussed by us today. We will meet again with the next part. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha.